Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram messages. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and navigate to your DMs and go to the conversation where you want to delete the message. So just long press on the message and select unsend if you want to delete that message. But take note that this action will delete the message for both parties. If you wish to delete an entire conversation, go back to your conversations list and swipe left on the conversation that you want to delete and tap delete. And then just confirm that you want to permanently delete the chat. Keep in mind that the other person in the conversation will still see the messages unless they manually delete the entire conversation. If y'all found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!